Hi specials, another unboxing. When you see me with scissors, just know that I'm unboxing one of my many products that I sell. Hi specials, another unboxing. When you see me with scissors, just know that I'm unboxing one of my many products that I sell. So I actually posted Camon 30 Pro on my profile, and this is the live picture of it. For those that are still in doubt, Camon is a very nice product, very nice. The camera is top notch. So let me not even talk about the settings, let me not talk about the apps, let me not talk about the packaging it came in. So let's dive right into the video of unboxing this Camon 30 Pro Max. Yeah. So my customers will be satisfied. Seeing this will make them satisfied. Camera is top notch. So this was actually picked up since Monday, and I want to open this and show us what this really looks like. Exactly the picture. So this was very well packed, and my name was written on it. It was picked up from the pack and my name was written on it. Well packed. I recommend most of my wholesalers these days. Ude check. Okay, I told you to just go ask price of this phone that I'm selling at the price I gave some persons in the DM. Just go and ask in a techno outlet how much this phone costs. Just go to Spa if you're on Calabar. If you're in Calabar, just go to Spa. If you have any techno outlet around you, just go ask. See packaging. See packaging now. Camon 30. So I am a brand ambassador of my own Just Of accessories and collection. I am my brand ambassador, so my customers are always satisfied. When it comes to Camon 30 Pro products, I have sold out so many of it, and this is the live picture of what Camon 30 Pro looks like. If you want to get yours, please buy now, because next year you don't know how this Camon will go. I don't know the price to cost in the market. I have so many persons in my DM asking me how much. I have given you the price. You better buy now, because next year you can be competing with iPhone 16 Pro. This phone is not hyped well, so let me hype it very well. Camon 30, the camera is sharp. Shall I show you even the body of this phone? Let me just open it. I've taken permission, but let me just open it and show you what this really looks like. Oh, bomb. Well sealed. This is well sealed. No trace of breakage. This is actually 512 plus 24 gigabytes. So I have enough of this customers review that I will not really post here, but this phone is top notch. See now. See, just see how it's packed. Just see now. Hey. Just take a look now. This is what the camera really looks like. If you check the video I posted, so this is what the camera looks like. This is the camera feature at the back. This is the design, and this is it. This is the phone. This is Camon 30 Pro, and it has 4K to 30 FPS eye tracking, 8200 ultimate 5 gigabytes. That's fast browsing. That is the toppest notch of this phone. So it also have 70 watt ultra charge, 5000 mAh battery, and it is a top-notch phone, really top-notch. The camera is 50 MP OIS main camera, then Sony type of camera. Very sharp, very sharp, very sharp, very sharp. So this is it. This is all about our unboxing.